Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the SpeakUp Show. I'm Jack.
And I'm Lily. We're so happy you're here today. If you want to learn real spoken English, stay with us till the end.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. That way you never miss our fun English lessons.
Today's topic is special for me. I'm going to talk about my first family picnic. What happened, what I learned, and of course, some useful English phrases.
She told me a little earlier, and trust me, this story has food, drama, emotions, and maybe a little comedy.
Maybe, Jack, it has a lot of comedy.
All right then, let's start. So Lily, tell us, when was your first family picnic?
I was around 10 years old. It was a sunny Sunday morning, and my parents suddenly said, "Let's go for a picnic." I was like, wait, today?
Classic parents. Zero planning, full excitement.
Exactly, but I loved it. It was the first time we went out as a whole family. Mom, Dad, my sister, my aunt, everyone.
Where did you go?
We went to a big green park next to a lake. There were trees, flowers, and people flying kites. It felt like a movie scene.
Sounds beautiful. Before you continue, learners, here's a good phrase. It felt like a movie scene. Use this when something looks beautiful or unreal.
Yes, and trust me, in that moment, it really did.
So, what did your family pack for the picnic?
Oh, wow, we packed everything. Food, drinks, snacks, blankets, even extra pillows.
Extra pillows for a picnic?
Yes, my mom believes comfort is more important than style.
I love that.
She said, if we relax properly.
Learners, listen to this phrase Lily used. We packed everything. This means you packed too many things, maybe more than necessary. It's common in spoken English.
Yes, we packed everything except one very important thing.
Uh-oh. What did you forget?
We forgot the plates.
Oh, that is classic.
When we reached the park, everything looked so peaceful. Green grass, fresh air, kids running around. My sister and I put our blanket on the ground and sat down.
Let me guess. The ground was uneven.
Not uneven, wet.
Oh, no.
So we jumped up immediately. My mom said, "It's okay. Let's just move a little to the left." We moved 10 times before finding the perfect spot.
Every family does this. Learners, here's a natural phrase. The perfect spot means the best place, comfortable, safe, and exactly what you want.
Yes, and finally we found our perfect spot under a big tree.
Okay, the important question. What food did you bring?
My mom made sandwiches, fried chicken, fruit salad, and lemonade.
Wow, that's a feast.
I know! My aunt also brought homemade cookies.
And you? Did you bring anything?
I brought my appetite.
Very honest.
Learners, listen to this phrase. I brought my appetite. This means I didn't bring food, but I'm ready to eat.
Now tell us about the funny part. Every picnic has one disaster moment.
Oh, we had a big one. While eating, a squirrel came near us.
Cute?
Yes, it was cute until it tried to steal my sandwich.
A brave squirrel?
I screamed, my sister screamed, the squirrel ran away, and everyone in the park stared at us.
That is such a family moment. Learners, here's a useful phrase. Everyone stared at us. Meaning people looked at us with surprise or curiosity.
Yes, it was embarrassing but funny. My dad couldn't stop laughing for 5 minutes.
After the chaos, what happened next?
Then came my favorite part. We all sat together and talked about school, life, and silly things. My aunt told jokes and my dad shared stories from his childhood.
Oh, that sounds warm.
Yes, and I remember thinking, this is what family feels like.
That's a beautiful line.
Learners, you can use this sentence. This is what family feels like. You use it when you feel loved, safe, and connected.
Did you play any games?
Yes, we played badminton. Well, we tried to play. The wind was too strong.
So the shuttlecock kept flying away.
Exactly. At one point, it went so high, I thought it was going to the next country.
English phrase time. We tried to play means you made an effort, but it wasn't successful.
Yes, but we still had fun. Then we played a guessing game. We had to guess animals by acting.
Oh, wow. Who won?
My aunt, she acted like a lion so well that even the real lions would be impressed.
I would pay to see that.
Near the end, we sat quietly and watched the sunset. The sky turned pink and orange. My sister took pictures, and my mom said, "We should do this more often."
Yes, family moments like that stay in your heart forever.
Exactly. That picnic was simple, but it became one of my favorite memories.
That was such a heartwarming story, and we learned many useful English phrases from it.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed listening to my first family picnic memory.
If you did, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want to improve their English.
And now our question for you. What was your favorite family moment? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories.
Thanks for watching the Speak Up Show. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.